Hi everyone, nice to see you all. Today I'm going to review about Missha Time Revolution Probio Ampoule. This one. I need to show you. Such a beautiful package, you see. You see? Very beautiful. I want to show you the consistency. This is the 50 ml bottle. Missha is the very famous Korean skincare brand. This is the night repair serum. You have to use this after cleansed your face, and you have to use your toner. Then you have to use this one. It will repair your skin. Missha's main ingredient is probiotics. This one is suitable for normal, dry and sensitive skin. Skin concern, moisturizing and nutrition. Anti-wrinkle brightening care formulated with over 50% of bifida ferment lysate. This is high technology invention. Okay, let's see what this bottle says. An upgrade of Borabit Ampoule contains bifida ferment lysate over 10 times more than Borabit Ampoule with 10 lactic acid ingredients. It helps make skin look firmer and smoother. Content of bifida ferment lysate in Borabit Ampoule 5%. Combines Missha's hot and cold double fermentation process and Missha's exclusive absorption method that maximize penetration. Fermentation and delivery method that allows skin absorb powerful skincare ingredients effectively. A fermentation process that occurs at both low and high temperatures activates yeast for best skincare benefits. 10 types of probiotics that strengthen skin's own power. The serum that gives skin's resilience. The double fermentation pro-ferment makes our skin each morning different, even in warm and cold temperature. The particle brings elastic and pass through the dead skin layers. 10 types of probiotics and different properties make skin healthy. This product is recommended for anti-aging care, brightening care, nourishment. My opinion of using this wonderful serum, I only use it at night. After using a week, I found huge improvement on my skin. I wake up every day morning with fresh and plumped skin. This is my main nighttime skincare. My complexion looks more improved in few using. This product is really worth the hype, and it does the miracle. Also, it's affordable price. This serum significantly improved my skin radiance. The smell is very light fragrant. I have here Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is my favorite serum. I used to use this in the winter, but I changed it for this. But when I compare both of this for the price, this is 30 ml under £60. That one 50 ml under £20. So when I compare both of these, I really go for the Missha's one. It's really, we can see the much improvement in few use. Anyone, any age can use this. This product doesn't contain paraben. I highly recommend this awesome product. 5 out of 5 stars. Anyway, this is my review about this great product. I hope this information is useful to you, and I wish you very happy New Year. Take care. God bless you. Bye.